Here's how our watch cap can help you achieve maximum competitive advantage with precision shooting. This is the first day Serge from ABEL Silencers tried our watch cap. Watch closely. You'll see him observing a trio of 10-inch steel targets at 384 meters as his shot timer sounds. With both eyes open, he picks up the red dot with his left eye as the rifle is coming into a supported position on the barricade. Since the red dot on our watch cap and magnified reticle are co-witnessed, he places the dot on the target, aligns it, and then shifts his head slightly down and to the right to engage his steel target with the magnified reticle with his right eye. The magnified optic is maxed out at 18 power, which limits his field of view, but because he's already aligned the reticle on the target, he's able to engage it very quickly. Next, you'll see how we can use the watch cap on the same rifle on a tripod setup.
What I'm able to do is with my left eye, I'm looking and picking up and scanning the landscape. I immediately pick up the target, slightly move my head down and engage that target, move it again, rinse, repeat, back on, bang. So it allows us to maintain much better situational awareness without getting lost in magnification.
You can see how quickly the user can transition from one distant target to another, all while on high magnification. Additionally, as it is more concentric, the watch cap may be used for unexpected and actual target engagement with both the naked eye and passive night vision.